Well folks, hello and welcome back to the long time since we've done the last video, the Relaxing Wood Shop. I hope we are all well. So from our last video we did a beautiful wedding type entrance sign with flowers and all around it just to welcome people to a wedding. And then I decided I was going to make a couple of different types of whiskey cabinets. So then I went to say, do you know what, I haven't done a video while, let's get out here, it's pouring rain, I can't do much in the garden, I have to do one of the shows. And the wood that I was going to use for this has been using the sign, but not the fret. I'm going to give myself a task. It's going to be harder than what I'm used to doing because I have to kind of mill it down. Sorry, that's my dog coughing because the weather's not good. So there you go, get it out of you. So I have decided with this block of wood, or this piece of wood, that we're going to make the entire cabinet other than the wee backing plate. Now, and a wee bit of trim. Now, as I'm limited to what I can do with lumber, I'm going to try and cut this into the slices, run it through the planer, run it through the side thing, sand it all down, and then build it up with this. And that should only allow me to have to do the back. I'm also going to try and do it in 30cm sections because that is the maximum I can use to use this entire board. Now, this is a very heavy piece of board. I don't want to lie to you and say I know what type of piece of wood it is because I don't. I bought this many years ago in a specialised wood store that deals with marine grade style woods and all, place in Carrickfergus. So let's start by milling this down, cutting the 30s, and then see where I go from there. And literally, as I was about to then start doing that, I've decided we're going to cut them in 30s to make it a lot easier to manage, and I'll have to run it through an extra plane to get them all the same size. Well, that's what we'll have to do. Okay folks, so this is what I'm going to base it on, my favourite whiskey. This is non-sponsored, I have to put that right out there from the start. This is a non-sponsored video, okay? But I do love the Redbreast for some reason. It's just the nicest whiskey and I've tasted some nice whiskies. So what we're going to do, we're going to base this on 30s, okay? So we're going to go 30 across, so we'll need 2 of them. Then we're going to go 30 up, and we'll need 3 of them. And then hopefully there'll be enough wood to do a 10 across for 2 levels for the glass. Okay, so that's the plan. Once that's all done, then we'll be able to put a wee back on it just to support it. And then I don't know if I'm going to do a front door or I'm going to do like a wee, what's the word I'm looking for? Like a wee balcony effect. I know you're probably saying, what on earth does it mean by that? I'll show you when I'm getting going. So yeah, let's give it a go. Okay folks, so here we are so far. So we have one side planed and obviously the back and these 2 sides now done. So what we need to do is this top side. So we'll mill them all down. As you can see, I don't know if you can see clearly, so it's all rises and bumps from its original rough cut. So it is. So we'll sand that back, or sorry, plane that back on the back end, and then we'll see if we've got pretty much all the same size and measurements, and then we'll start trying to put it together. as you can see, the mock is done, and obviously we'll have to put this now all together, but I think it's looking very well. So what we now need to do, obviously we've got room here for this, just perfect amount of room to tip it. Oh, it was almost like I measured that, wasn't it? So that's for coming out, so that's perfect there. So what we also now need to do is put a wee shelf here for the second glass above that. But I think all in all, that beautiful red wood, I don't know what it is, I really don't. It's absolutely gorgeous to work with. Very, very, very heavy. So comments below if anybody knows what type of wood it is. So let's get the other layer in. We'll put it together. We'll get the nice Redbreast logo on the top using our laser pecker, and then we'll decide what we're going to do with the actual very back bit now that I've pretty much used the 30 centimeters times 30 centimeters times 30 centimeters of wood. Folks, so now we're at this stage. I'm going to be totally honest because I've always been upfront and honest. I never put pocket screws in the under bits as my better half, my amazing wife, my ball and chain, alluded me to. So now I have to take this apart to get the pockets and these ones to drill down because we don't want to put any marks on the top of this for the laser in. So I'm a wee bit despondent, I'm feeling a wee bit hurt, and I'm feeling a wee bit sad, a wee bit down, but it's going to have to come all apart to do that, because I wasn't worried about the underside, because that's going to sit there, or sit in a wee shelf or whatever, but it has to be done right, because we can't leave it like that. And also by doing that, I've kind of swapped them around, so sorry for getting up close and close. So by doing that, the box now has to go to this side, and the glasses go to this side. No big deal. Actually, I'm starting to wonder with the box. Alright then, either alright. So I'm going to break it down, then we're going to then start doing that, but that'll be next week. So it will, because I'm just running out of time here because I've messed up. Let's be honest, I've messed up. So on next week's video, we will have the pocket screws done so the top can lay in. We will laser engrave the top, and then I'm going to put on our wee shelves that I'm really looking forward to putting in, because as you know, I'm very good at finding and recycling wee things that I find, so I've got a good idea for that too. So until the next time, look forward to seeing you at the Relaxing Wood Shop.